Hello and welcome to another edition of State of War that we're bringing to you live from Battleground Bengal. Khala Hobe, that seems to be the anthem of this election. It's catching on and how. I'm Paulami Saha, and our top story this afternoon is Prime Minister Modi's fierce attack against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee as he was addressing a rally earlier today in Purulia. He in fact hit out at the TMC's war cry Khala Hobe with the BJP's Vikas Hobe. He took on the government of Didi on a number of issues. Take a look at this report.
The war of battle cries. TMC's Khala Hobe versus Modi's Vikas Hobe. Prime Minister Narendra Modi turned the tables on TMC's poll war cry Khala Hobe. To Bengal wants Vikas Hobe at his mega Purulia rally.
BJP bole!
Prime Minister Modi used Mamata's very own Khala Hobe or game on phrase to attack TMC regime, accusing Mamata of just playing games for 10 years. Prime Minister also launched one of the fiercest attacks on accusing Didi of creating a new breed of Maoists who loot public money in Bengal.
अपने राजनीतिक लाभ के लिए दीदी की सरकार माओवादी हिंसा को भी बढ़ावा देती है और इन सब का नुकसान उठाना पड़ता है आपको.
Modi also accused Mamata of backing terrorists during 2019 Pulwama attack and 2008 Batla House encounter.
जब पुलवामा हमला हुआ तो आप किसके साथ खड़ी थी ये भी बंगाल के लोग भूले नहीं. एक बहुत बड़ा फैसला सुना. ये फैसला बाटला हाउस एनकाउंटर से जुड़ा है. ये लोग उस समय आतंकवादियों के साथ खड़े थे, एनकाउंटर पर सवाल खड़े कर रहे थे.
So who will witness Khela Shesh or game over on 2nd of May?
2 मई दीदी যাচ্ছে, 2 मई दीदी যাচ্ছে, আসল পরিবর্তন আছে.
With Suryagini Roy in Purulia, Bureau Report, India Today.
My colleague Suryagini Roy, in fact, is joining me live from Purulia on this story. Suryagini, you were there at that rally which the Prime Minister addressed, possibly one of his fiercest attacks against Didi, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. It turned out to be Khala Hobe versus Vikas Hobe.
Well, absolutely, Paulami, if you look at the speech of Narendra Modi, it seemed more of a counter to every allegation that the Chief Minister of West Bengal has put across the past 1 month in all of her campaigns. If you look at what the Chief Minister says, she says time and again that the BJP government has sold off all the public sector entities. There are no jobs, and there is no protection for women. Today, for the first time, Narendra Modi in this public sabha stated that there will be jobs, there will be security for women, there will be development. So only apart from, if we move on from the entire jai between Khala Hobe and Khala Shesh, there was this subtle undertone wherein the Prime Minister took on each and every allegation that the Chief Minister has been hitting it out against the BJP. Second, one very important aspect of this entire speech, Paulami, if you look at it, yesterday the Chief Minister was at Lalgarh. Mamata Banerjee, since 2008, the Lalgarh Maoist movement over there, Mamata Banerjee has seen it all. She was there. Yesterday when she was at Lalgarh, she told the audience over there that gone are the days when people are afraid to get out of their houses, fearing that the police will catch them and term them as a Maoist.
So she's claiming development, while the Prime Minister, of course, is suggesting that development is still a far cry as far as the Jungle Mahal districts of West Bengal are concerned. Purulia is one of those districts. Suryagini, thank you so much for joining us with those updates from Purulia. In fact, let's focus on what the Prime Minister's speech achieved today. He, in fact, attacked the Chief Minister of West Bengal on a whole host of issues, taking it from development to, of course, the alleged appeasement politics of the West Bengal government. One of the first issues, he in fact switched the crossfire topic from Ram to Vikas. Today he focused on development. He blunted, secondly, Mamata Banerjee's taunt that the BJP avoids the development topic. So he focused entirely on water scarcity in Purulia, the fact that tourism hasn't been developed in Purulia. The third issue, he crafted a fiery response to Khala Hobe with Vikas Hobe. He said, Chakri Hobe, jobs Hobe, Shikha Hobe, education Hobe. So various issues of development. He also painted Didi as Khala obsessed. Didi is obsessed with playing games while BJP is here for serious work, said the Prime Minister. One of the other issues that he touched upon, he in fact painted the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, as being obsessed with the Bharatiya Janata Party and Narendra Modi.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.